Hi there and welcome to this 2-minute tips video, and today we're going to look at limit AFarea mode selection. The limit AFarea mode selection functionality is a small piece of functionality in the Z series cameras, but it can be quite useful. What we're doing here is thinking about the AFarea modes. So those are things like pinpoint, single point, dynamic area, which tell the camera which of the sensor points to use for autofocus. These can be assigned to the I button or the I menu, and this is where this functionality comes into play. What it does is allow you to select that when you go into the I menu and use the sub command dial to move through the different modes, you can tell the camera which modes you want it to see. Do you want it to show you all of the different modes, or do you want it to show you a specific selection? To adjust this, we go into the custom settings menu and look for option A8, which is limit AFarea mode selection. And when you go into here, you can tick or untick which of the modes you want to appear when you're in the I menu. So the kind of times when I find this useful is perhaps when I am going to be shooting macro and I only want to see perhaps pinpoint and single point. Or perhaps I'm shooting at a sporting event where I'm only going to really want the dynamic area modes or the wide area modes. I know I'm not going to use pinpoint mode, but I'm going to be under pressure in moving between the different modes, so I don't want to see all of the modes. I just want to see the selection that are going to be most useful to me. So again, it's a piece of functionality that you can think about before you're going out. If you're going out to shoot a particular genre, perhaps sports or macro as I said, and set your camera up to really help you get the best shots. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell below, and let us know in the comments below if you're using this piece of functionality. How do you set your camera up, and how do you get yourself thinking in advance of shooting how you can best set up the camera to help you? As I say, I hope you found this video useful, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video.